Good day, ladies and gents, welcome to the channel. So seeing Scrcpy could not find any ADB device error. So guys, I've got some quick fixes to get your phone detected in Scrcpy running. Let us begin. So this error means that Scrcpy can't see your phone because ADB, which is Android Debug Bridge, isn't talking to it. So could be your cable settings or ADB setup. First, ensure your phone's plugged in via the USB. So for example, I have this cable right over here. So this is micro USB, but USB-C just gonna have the ending that's different, but it doesn't really matter. It's still a legit cable. And also guys, make sure that your cable supports the data transfer, because if you have only the cable that supports charging but does not support the file transfer, the Scrcpy will not work. Keep that in mind. You have to have a cable that supports data transfer. So guys, after that, ensure that your phone's plugged in via USB and USB debugging is on. You need to go to the settings in your phone, About Phone, tap build number 7 times, then enable it in developer options. Okay guys, also make sure to install the SDK platform tools. As you can see, you just need to type in the ADB tools download. So as you can see, the debug bridge. Also install this. So you just go to this link, as you can see. No, it's not here. It's this first link, and download this SDK platform tools for Windows. Let us continue now. So on your phone, unplug it, then plug it back in. When the allow USB debugging prompt pops up, tap always allow. Check your USB mode, swipe down and tap USB preferences, and set it to file transfer, MTP, not just charging. So file transfer mode, basically. Bad cable, swap it for one that supports data transfer, just like I said before. And that's it guys, should be fixed now. No more ADB device not found. Love this. Smash the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.